good.
Good to
Very
see
well.
you.
Good to see you.
So welcome to my inaugural podcast. This is Gavin Magrath coming to you from Clearwater Beach with Remax Action First. And I've got Joyce Smith here with me today from Summers Title. She's going to be going over one of her classes, which she has every once a month, right?
I try to have one approximately once a month. Educational classes for realtors. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Before we get to the classes, how long has your company been in business?
Ron Summers opened up as a steward agent first, and that was in 1976. And then in 2001, he decided to become independent and become Summers Title Company. So, and I've worked for Ron for 23 years.
Wow, so a lot of experience there.
Yeah.
So, anyways, most of you watching this are going to be realtors and people in the industry. So let's get to what the classes are about. And you've been, like I said, what are they normally about? You have people in the real estate industry that talk about various topics and so on, such as what?
Yes, I've partnered up with lenders for some of their different products that they specialize in. I've partnered up with my underwriter. They have several classes that they can speak on. And then this time, next week, I've paired up with an attorney, an estate planning and family law attorney, to talk about probate.
Yeah, that's super interesting because a lot of these classes with lenders and so on and so forth are great. They're mostly things we're getting brushed up on in the industry and so on. But when you get an attorney, it's a big difference because everybody wants legal advice. We can't give legal advice, and we want to know all the legal ins and outs. This is on probate, right?
Correct.
And probate is huge. Especially here in the state of Florida. A lot of realtors get into it as a niche market if it's something they like doing and can absolutely kill with it because there's just so much probate business out there and there's ways to get to it. But if you're in that business or in that field, or if you want to get into it, this would be a great chance to get all of your questions answered. First of all, when is the meeting?
It's next Wednesday, October 16th. It's from 2 to 3:30, and I'm going to have it at the Dave Prosper State Farm Office in Dunedin. It's located at 1164 Belcher Road.
Okay, cool. So maybe you can take a screenshot of that if you can see it. And that's got the address, but we'll put all that at the bottom of the video anyway. So what is she going to be covering?
She's going to be covering testate versus intestate when someone dies, last will and testament versus trust, types of probate processes, enhanced life estate deeds, and problems that may arise throughout this whole process. And then hopefully, if time permits, some question and answer time.
Yeah, so I'll need a lot of question and answer time because I really don't know too much about any of that stuff.
Right.
It's a little bit, but from what I've been exposed to with doing probate with clients whose parents have passed away or some kind of situation like that. So yeah, I'm going to need to get to the question and answers pretty quickly. That's one of the great things about having an attorney. Like I said, you're getting it right from the horse's mouth, so to speak, and you can ask questions. You might want to come prepared with questions because you can get, like I said, everything directly from her. That's the actual legal answers to what you're looking for. And I find that I used to do there was a program at Pro called Coffee with Counsel, and that used to be once a month, I believe. And I used to go to that, and it was absolutely fantastic. The rooms were packed out. The attorney was great, and then for some reason they discontinued it. So I've been talking to Joyce in the past about getting an attorney in here to one of her meetings, and that's what she's going to do. So I find the question and answers come up fairly quickly during the meeting, and bring a notebook because there'll be a lot of stuff to write down. How did you get in touch with this lady? Have you known her for a while?
Yeah, I've known her for about 2 years, and she is in my networking group that meets once a week every Thursday morning. And I've heard her speak a few times. She's had to do a presentation to the group, and she's a really good speaker. She speaks slowly, and so you can comprehend it, and then speaks in layman's terms as well. So you actually walk away feeling encouraged and confident that you actually understand what she has explained to you. So
good.
Yeah, she's a really, really good lady.
Yeah, her name's Barbara Hunting, and
Barbara
she's
Hunting.
where's she out of? Palm
She's
Harbor?
out of Palm Harbor.
Right.
Yep.
So she's local. So
Yes.
it's another Another great thing about this is you can meet the actual attorney you may be working with if you have a probate case come up and the clients need legal advice. So yeah, it's going to be an hour and a half meeting, which is great because there'll definitely need to be time for questions and answers. So what are you going to be serving? Anything good?
We'll have coffee, some cold water, and then usually an array of snacks, kind of salty and sweet depending on your likings.
Okay, we're gonna have to work on that thing.
Well, it's an afternoon. It's a mid-afternoon, so
yeah, after lunch.
yeah,
have lunch
it's just
before
snacks.
you
Yeah.
come. But I'll see if I can talk her into something a little more appetizing as well. Who knows? But anyways, okay. Well, thanks for coming. And again, this is Wednesday, October 16th, 2 to 3:30. I think you're gonna have a great time. Look forward to doing my next podcast. Going to be doing these frequently on all kinds of real estate issues and other things as well. My name's Gavin Magrath with Remax Action First. You can reach me at gavin.realtor is my website, on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. Just go and do a search and I'll be there. So we'll talk to you soon. And if you have any questions, comments, leave them below. Please subscribe to my channel. And we'll talk to you next time. Thanks. Have a great day.
Thanks. Bye-bye.